A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nangal Al-Faidin from class 10 of Mbel Grade 2. Cikal Village. Cikal Village is one of the villages in Aji Barang, Subdivision Banyumas District, Central Java Province. This village is in the landmark school and vital soil. Here you can find many rice fields and there are also with a few cattle and goat herders in the village. This village has beautiful and exotic view, namely the beauty of the sunset in the afternoon and stars that are scarlet and shining brightly in the summer.